In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text in Google Docs vertical. Hello, everyone. When you're working with Google Docs, there might come a time when you want to get a little creative with your text, whether you're working on a flyer, creating a poster, or just want to make your document stand out. Rotating text can add an interesting element. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to achieve vertical text in your Google Docs step by step. First things first, we need to access our Google Drive. So head over to Google Drive by typing its URL into your browser, or simply search for it on Google. Once there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Enter your email and password and then click Next to proceed. Once you're in, navigate through your drive and open the Google Doc you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, just go ahead and open a new document. With your document open, it's time to start the process of adding vertical text. You won't find a direct button to make text vertical, so we're going to use a little workaround involving the drawing tool. Navigate to the menu bar at the top, click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear, then you'll want to hover over Drawing, and from the side menu that appears, click on New. This opens the drawing dialog box where all the magic happens. Now you're going to insert a text box. Look for the text box button, which should be located in the toolbar within the drawing dialog. Click on it. Then click anywhere inside the dialog box and draw a box. This box will be where you type your text, so make sure it's spacious enough for what you have in mind. After you've drawn the box, click inside it and start typing your text. Once you have your text, it's time to make it vertical. To do this, you'll see that around the text box there's a blue frame with a blue dot at the top. Click and hold that blue dot and then drag it to rotate the text box until your text is vertical. Once you're happy with the orientation of your text, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button at the top right corner of the drawing dialog. Clicking this will insert your newly vertical text right into your Google Docs document. But wait, what if you want to make adjustments or it didn't go exactly as planned? No worries, just double click on the drawing you've inserted and you'll be taken back to the drawing dialog where you can make any necessary adjustments. Once done, remember to click Save and Close again to update the document. And there you have it. You've successfully made your text vertical in Google Docs, giving your document that extra flair or visual interest that it needed. Whether you're making a newsletter, a poster, or just looking to experiment, vertical text can really make your document pop. Remember, the possibilities with Google Docs are vast, and there's so much more you can explore and experiment with to make your documents truly unique. Don't be afraid to play around with the drawing tool and discover other ways you can enhance your work. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Google Docs and other tech tutorials. See you in the next video.